Okay, this video is about the basketball drills assignment in VEX. First, you have to go to the website. Okay, then you need to come down here and open up basketball drills, which I already have. Okay, so once you have those two things open, you come back into this assignment. As you notice, we're still on the grid map for our playground. Okay, and challenge 1, save it as basketball level 1. You are programming it to drive forward 1 square and then reversing to the beginning point. Okay, you do that for 2 squares as well as 4 squares. Okay, so you can kind of see your up 1, back, up 2, back, up 4, back. Okay, so I'm going to show you just the beginning code, and then obviously from there you can figure out the rest. So drive forward and then drive forward again, but I'm going to reverse this. Okay, so as we know on the playground, each one of these squares is 200 by 200. So I know that that's going to give me 1 square. So it should go up 1 and then reverse 1. So let's push play. Up, back, right? Stop, refresh. Okay. So then you would have to go up 2, back 2, up 4, back 4. Okay, and once you have that, you would name this basketball level 1. File, save to your device. For Chromebooks, it automatically saves. Otherwise, I'm just going to do it like that. Okay. Next, you go File, New Blocks Project. Close out of that. Okay. For level 2, it says drive forward 1 square, stop, and return where it started without using the reverse block. Okay. So you go up 1, stop, then turn around and go back, up 2, stop, turn around, go back, up 4, stop, turn around and go back. Okay, without using the reverse. So again, I'll show you just the beginning. Going up, I'm going to turn 180 degrees, and then I'm going to drive forward the 200. So playground, push play, should go up, turn around, and go back. Okay, so then obviously you would need to turn this back around and go up 2, turn around, back 2, turn around, up 4, turn around, and go back 4. Okay. Once you have your code complete, remember you name it basketball level 2, and you would file, save to device, and then it would be there. And that is going to be both levels of your basketball drills in VEX.